Hi guys, I'm Lakshya. So let's start with mensuration. The first question here you have. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So as here you can see, you have a joker's cap. So this joker cap is in the form of right circular cone. This joker cap is in the form of cone shape, okay, cone. Now, whose base radius? So, whose radius is 7 centimeters. So this is the radius, where radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. Then, now here this is the question. Let me write down the given data over here. So the given data is what? You have a joker's cap. Joker's cap is in the form of right circular, let me write down like cone, right circular cone, okay, whose base radius. So this joker's cap, this cone shaped joker cap, the base of this cone is, okay, let me consider like the radius of this cone, okay. The radius of this given cone is 7 centimeters. Radius is usually represented by the symbol r, small r. So radius equals to 7 centimeters and height. Height of the given joker cap, where h equals to 24 centimeters. Now the question here is, find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So the question here is, we need what to be find is here. They are asking the area of the sheet. Okay, they need a sheet required to make 10 such caps. To make 10 caps, how much sheet do we require? Okay, so to find 10 such cap sheet, first let's find the sheet required to make one cap. Okay, the area of sheet required to make one cap. So to find this out, to find this we can use curved surface area of cone. Okay, CSA means the outer area, right? So the curves, let's use curved surface area of cone to find out the sheet required to make one joker cap. So curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Now here, if you observe, like I know the pi value, where pi value I can write like 22/7, right? And r value, r equals radius, r is radius, as I can select radius as 7 centimeters and L means length. I don't know the value of length. So to find the value of length, as we know, the slant height formula, we know, right? We know slant height, where slant height is represented usually by L, okay, where length. So I need to find the length of the given cone. So to find the length of the given cone, where you have a formula for that, where root over r square plus h square. R means radius and h means height, where radius equals to 7. Radius equals to 7, as I can write like 7 square, plus height equals to what? 24, as I can select 24 square. Right, now 7 square gives what? 49. 7 into 7, 7 square, 49. So root over 49 plus 24 square, 24 into 576 equals to, now here add 49, but 49 plus 576 gives 625. So let me write it like 625, root over 625. As here, where square root of 625, as I can say that by 25, right? 25 into 25 gives 625. So square root of 625 is like 25. Therefore, I can say that therefore L equals to, the value of L equals to 25. Okay, then we got the L value, I got the pi value, and let's substitute these values into the given formula. So here the formula is what? Pi RL, where pi we can take pi value as 22 by 7. Now let's take pi value as 22 by 7 as pi value, and R equals to what? R is radius, as I can select, into 7 radius value is 7, right? So into 7, and L value is 25, as we have solved that, as so we got 25. Now 7 ones 7, and now we got what? 22 into 25. 22 into 25 gives 550, and here centimeters into centimeter gives centimeter square, right? So just write like centimeter square, 550 centimeter square. Done till here. So now I got what? To prepare one joker cap, the sheet I required is 550 centimeter square sheet. But here the question is what? They need they wanted to find, they need the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So to make 10 caps, just multiply like 550. How many caps? 10 caps at 550 into 10. This gives what? 5500. 5500. Let me write down here. 550 into 10 gives 5500 centimeter square sheet we require to make 10 such caps. So let me conclude this, and therefore the area of sheet required to make 10 joker caps is 5500 centimeter square. Yeah, 5500 centimeter square sheet. Okay, thank you.